Okay. There we go. I got my audio back. Hello. I disappeared. Hello. How about that? Yeah, let's do that. Let's put some text. Text GDI. Dearest Sir and Madame, it has been a fortnight. Not the game, you shithead. I most humbly ask for no. I most humbly fuck this. Whop. Well, let's put some images on my stream. Get a cool image for my stream. Let's look up cool image and see what comes up. Cool image. None of these are cool. Let's just look up cool. Cool picture, dude. Cool picture, dude. Is this what the internet thinks a cool dude is? Is this what Google's like? Look at this fucking kid. Look at this fucking kid. Save image as. A fucking eagle, man. They're like flying tigers. Majestic. It's not really bald. He's got hair all over. Did the guy who fucking found the bald eagle, was his name Bald? Derek Bald. Stuff to make you look cool on the internet. .exe is trendy now. Art is so fucking weird now. Oh, here we go. That's a good picture. I'm down with this picture. I like this picture. We're gonna save that one. You gotta have like something that like drives people away, but then brings them back in. So I feel like this is a good move here. Dogs reading. Okay. Oh wow, that's small. Cool. Ariel's fucking douchey. So Comic Sans and cool. We're gonna bolden that. We're gonna make it fucking hot and sexy. Cool. Cool. Awesome. Cool. Awesome. Fun time. Gotta have that period. We got, you're not fucking around with a period, We'll make that a nicer shade of blue. Let's look up dads. Dads. Let's get some dads on my stream. Same image as my two dads. Oh, let's put the movie poster for D.A.R.Y.L on there. Save image as. He's nice. He's smart. Oh shit. Here we go. This is the one we're talking about. This has got the tagline and everything. Go fuck yourself. Yes. You know what? I think I can move this over here because I'm not on here. Yeah, there you go. Hey. What was it? D.A.R.Y.L. Yeah, D.A.R.Y.L. It's one of the greatest films of all time. Heyo. Things to make your shitty stream cooler. Arctic Air. Google fucking Images does it again. Arctic Air. Gotta go on there. It's awesome. It's the most awesome fucking stream ever. Yeah. Okay.